Rest, okay. Actually, mental 100%. 100%. Because why? Whatever we do, we play, we eat, skill, everything coming from the thinking. Kita fikir baru dia datang. So that's why mental is much more important. Especially when you wake up this morning and you are training. If you don't tune your head first, then you are always not going to be sharp in the training. Understand? Last night, what time you finish the training? Very late, for example. Habis pukul berapa?
1:45 habis.
1:45 morning, one finish training. 1:45. So 2:45, 3:45, 4:45. Only 3 hours sleep. It's okay. Sometimes something happen. For example, he played tournament last night, delay, he finished like that. But this morning is a new chapter. Dia kena start baru punya. So yang mana dia harus setting dulu? Mental. Dia kena pegang apa yang dia nak, what you want. Okay, if you wake up early morning and then you start to use here, I want to sleep. Of course you feel sleepy. But if you wake up and you start to use your brain, I want to training today, I want to beat Yuta, I want to beat Ikwan 21-0, 21-0. So you automatically wake up faster because you are thinking here. Understand? Yeah, so that's why mental, like Ramran tell, 100%. That's why it's always good in the morning session. Like you too, mental. Very important that you need to be alert in the morning from Jolo. Yes, okay? So this morning ada dengan Wan sana, saya keluar bola, dia keluar bola membunuh. Yutata and Kudita here, strength is first or ten set, okay? Then later on we will have all round. Just kau tolong 2 orang je morning. Yang ini jangan bagi overhead sebab dia ada. Okay? Faham? Ada question? Arif, Daniel, Arif punya adik Daniel, Ikwan, Izran, Cedo. Okay, lepas Cedo, pukul dinding, baru masuk. Faham? Okay? Any question? No. No or no? No question. Question? Okay, what question? No question? No question. No question. In Malaysia, no. This one, yes. No question. Okay. Arif boleh lihat. Ziran, any question? Macam dia tak suka baju tu. Wah, suka baju tu. That's an Arsenal shirt. I don't like.
Semalam okey.
Because I'm Manchester.
Petang semalam okey.
Petang semalam okey Manchester. Ada okey?
Okey.
You tak tahu okey? Any question?
No.
How many demo?
Infasi.
Tomorrow last training ya. Okay. This solat. Yang balik petang balik. Dia orang bagi dalam satu orang bagi 30 rep dia orang. So ada 60 rep. Kalikan dengan 15 rep.
Di pukul ini buat berapa?
Satu minggu bola je.
Okey. I mean pukul berapa kali?
Pukul berapa kali coach? Okay, yang penting you feel good and you can. Okay. Apa sih?
Tak ada.
Okay, that's all. Come on, huh?
Attention. Setting ready.